Hello kids, welcome to my another video. Today we are learning healthy foods. So HEALTHY healthy, FOOD yes, foods, healthy foods. So number one is this apple. Okay, A P P L E apple. Excellent. Okay. Number two is, guess one. What is this? Carrot. 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 Carrots. Okay. Number three is, guess, milk. Excellent. MILK. Milk. It's healthy food. Okay, number four is, guess one, egg. Excellent. EGG yes, eggs. Okay, now number five. What is that? Rice. RICE rice. Okay, and number six is, what is that? Fish. Yes, fish. Okay. And number seven is, guess. Okay, oats. OAT. Yes, oats. Okay. And number eight is, guess one. Yogurt. 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 Kids, do you like yogurt or not? Okay, number nine is avocado. 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 Excellent. And number 10 is, guess, vegetables. VEGETABLE yes, vegetables. Okay, now number 11. Okay, number 11, guess, fruits. Okay, FRUIT yes, fruits. Excellent. And number 12 is chicken. Do you like it or not? I like it so much. Okay, CHICKEN chicken. Excellent.